In this lesson, we're just looking at adding multiple decimals. So if you have got a large number of numbers or decimal numbers, again, you need to place them in order so that the decimal points are lined up and the numbers will be on either side as they go. So these are pretty easy. Most of you know how to do them, but just remember to carry and to work neatly and to follow through as you go. So I'm just going to do the first one as an example. So we're just going to start in our hundredths column. So 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Carry the 1, put the 5 down. Doesn't help when my screen totally moves as I write that down. 3, 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 19. And put my decimal down. 10, 11, 17. 10, 13, 14, 15, 7, 8, and 8 is 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Okay, so easy peasy. Do a few, the answers are there, do them, check them, ask if you need help. Didn't take you too long. You don't have to sit and do all of them. I'd go down the left-hand column, and then if you're getting them right, go on to the next thing. If you're not getting them right, ask me, ask someone. Give it a go.